Hey everybody, welcome back. Just want to let you know right up front that this video is sponsored by Hayward Industries. We just had an unboxing of some incredible LED color pool lights that I was sent. They also sponsored those. And we have a box here to open that is fairly heavy, but everything that I'm doing in this series of like 4 videos or 3 videos right now have to pertain to pool lighting. So let's open this box here and I'll show you what the next thing is that we're going to reveal. All right. Now I talked about those pool lights, and those pool lights are actually low voltage, 12 volts, so they're not dangerous to anybody. And however, anytime that you need to run low voltage lighting, you're going to need a transformer for that. So what's in this box is a low voltage pool transformer. It's Hayward's transformer, and it's going to make the lights actually work. And we're going to be taking, regular house power. That's what this transformer is going to do. It's going to take regular house power and convert it down to 12 volts and send that to the pool to operate the lights. Nice and safe. It's away from the water. You don't have to worry about anything. This is the owner's manual for this. Everything I'm going to need to know is in here, so I'm not going to bore you with the details of what is happening or what we need or how to do it yet. But I'll have to get up to speed and learn this. And I also have an installer that I did mention. They're going to be putting these lights in the spring. They were sent out now so I could do an unboxing and start promoting the product and get familiar with it. But in the early spring, the pool company is going to come back out here. If you've been watching, I have a series of videos. They've been working on the pool. They've, pretty much almost demolished it. They've, retiled it. They've grouted it. They've sealed along the top. They removed the old tile, put in the new tile. And tomorrow they're coming out to actually winterize whatever's left that needs to be winterized. And I believe they're going to be taking out the in-floor cleaning system and plugging that up. So I don't know, but the video will be telling. This is stuff that comes in here. It looks like there's electrical components, the basic electrical components. Looks like it's got some Wago connectors in there, some fittings, different connectors for different things. Oh, this is great. Duct seal. 1/4 pound of duct seal. This stuff is fantastic. This is going to plug up any air gaps and waterproof things. So that's pretty cool. So that's everything in here that you need. And what we have now, I'm going to get this out of the box and I will show you, is the transformer. And I'm not kidding. When I said this is heavy, it's heavy. I don't know. I'm not sure what the weight on it is. But people that like part numbers and stuff, this is the part number right here. I'll let you make note of it so you can actually look it up. Okay? And it says on here 300 watt wall transformer Hayward 3UCL. It probably runs a lot of other things too, but for me it's just going to be 2 pool lights. And those are not 300 watts. And here is the transformer. Holy moly, that's heavy. That is one heavy Chevy. We're looking at the bottom of this, obviously. You see there's a bonding lug right there, as with most pool equipment. And this is going to hang on the wall, kind of like what you saw with the salt machine that we put in. And this model number is LTBUY11300. That's pretty cool. Now, I don't have anything to open this up with it, but inside of it's going to be some electrical components. On the bottom here is some knockouts that you'll need to do the wiring. You probably have to put some fittings through there. The wire is going to have to be run through a conduit. The existing 120 volt wiring is already run through a conduit, so this wiring will be pulled through those 2 conduits and then we'll figure out how to mount the box or where to mount it or whatever we got to do with it. And so on and so forth. But that is the transformer presentation, sponsored by Hayward Industries. They got some large side knockouts, some 3/4 inch and 1 inch knockouts on the side, and looks like 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch knockouts on the bottom. And this is for fountain, swimming pool, or spa transformer. And it's heavy. I'm telling you, it's heavy. I'm not kidding. So I'm going to put it back in the packaging, and then we're going to slip it back in the box. And this is going to rest easy until the spring. And when the spring comes, we'll liven everything back up again, and we'll get you all involved to see exactly what's going to happen, how everything's going to get installed, how everything's going to get wired up. It's just going to be, it's going to be fantastic to see the whole thing come to life. And then we'll have a light show, because that's what this whole system is all about. We're going to have a light show. Now I'm just going to give this a little love to get it back in the packaging. There we are. Now that's going to lock everything together in there, being in the box, like this, just like we had it. We're going to put the electrical components in here. That's good. And then we're going to put the directions in here. Actually, this can go on top. And that's it. That's your transformer. Those are going to be the transformer. That's what the power is going to come from for the lighting. The power is going to come from there, and everything's going to work fine with it. Right? So thanks for watching, everybody, and God bless.